3 suspects linked to the Lusikisiki massacre have made their first court appearance and been charged with 18 counts of murder each. All 3 suspects have previous criminal offences. Newzroom Afrika's Ntsiki Nohiya filed this report.
Security outside the Lusikisiki Magistrates Court was tight ahead of the arrival of the convoy transporting the suspects. Inside the court, families of the victims were present in large numbers to see for themselves those accused of killing their relatives walk into court. All of them had previously committed various crimes. When the court adjourned, Ndabazakhe Mhloluvele, one of the survivors who lost his wife on the day, expressed his relief at seeing the suspects with his own eyes.
Kodwa ke nangona bengakubonisi ubuso babo omnye kodwa ndimbonile nangona ndingamazi hayi ndiyanwaba noko xa ndibabona apha ebusweni.
Meanwhile, David King, chairperson of the Grieving Families Committee, commended the police for successfully tracking down the suspects.
We are happy that at least there has been people that have been arrested, and I believe that there's still more to be arrested. I actually take my hat off for the police. They've done a good job. It's an excellent job that they've done in a short space of time.
David King reiterated his stance on the risk of granting parole to prisoners who committed dangerous crimes in the country.
Same thing that I've been making a noise about, the issue of parole. It is clear that, for instance, now we have 2 parolees in this case that actually are alleged to have killed our relatives. So it is clear that the parole system is just not working for South Africans, and something really needs to be done, because the question that I'm asking myself, if only in this case we have 2 parolees that have killed so many people, how many other people are being killed by parolees outside there and nothing is being made mention of?
The National Prosecuting Authority says a 4th suspect may have been arrested, but the police are still investigating whether he is connected to the killing of the 18 people in Ngobozana.
There are suspects that have been arrested in relation to the possession of illegal firearms in Flagstaff. And also there is an ongoing case for which some of these accused persons have been wanted for. That case is in relation to the death of 5 people in Flagstaff in what was believed to be a drug-related turf war. So the 4th person that the police said they are bringing is still being investigated, is whether he is not linked to these cases that I have mentioned.
The convoy carrying the suspects proceeded to Flagstaff Magistrates Court, where Aphiwe Ndende and Bongayinza were initially arrested to face charges of murder and possession of drugs. Luando Abi was apprehended in Khayelitsha, Cape Town, out on parole on charges of attempted murder in 2012. The trio will join the first accused, Posokolo Myekete, on November 26th back in this court. They were also remanded in custody as they have refused to apply for bail. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntsiki Nohiya in Lusikisiki.